Chuck's here. I'm just doing the upgrade for the CR10. I have noticed that they didn't send any tools, and the instructions were in Chinese and not very useful. And they came from eBay. I should have bought them from Gearbest, which would have probably been smarter. Might have had some instructions, but all the parts are there. And the actual sorry about lighting today, and it's very bad. It's getting late here. It's very hot, so I left it until now to have a look at it. But the sleeving for the wiring is not long enough. It's just really poor, actually. It's a box number. Box number is, let's get a better view of that. Yes. So I'll try and put it together, but I've got to try and undo that, and I've only got this one here. It turns it, but it's actually slips in it, so I'm a bit worried about that. We'll work on it. Anyway, I'll keep working on it. If you like this video and would like to subscribe, please subscribe. It's pretty quiet. You're listening to the water from my water feature, if you can hear that in the background. And I've got to do the upgrade on that as well. And the lighting is terrible, and I don't know whether I really want to put this up at all. Okay, see ya.